Respected President, Durban Declaration discourages all forms of intolerance, discrimination, and xenophobia. My organization also believes in equal human rights for all and condemn all types of unequal treatment. Mr. President, this phenomena is more prominent in India, whereas the caste-based society is dominant. The northeast part of India, especially Tripura, is facing continuous discrimination. Tripura people felt that they are not Indian citizens because they are denied basic human rights and become frequent victims of xenophobia from all caste society. Tripura people are sick and tired of due to inequitable distribution of all resources and all forms of discrimination. Now Tripura people are peacefully demanding separate state based on scheduled area of Tripura under Article 2 and 3 of Indian Constitution. That's because after merger with Indian Union, for the last 68 years, indigenous people were denied of political right in their native land. They are absent of government decision-making process. Mr. President, I appeal Human Rights Council to take the matter seriously from further intolerance and social discrimination by the Government of India. Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much.